opposition. We ask that you welcome opposition spokesperson for Housing, Transport and Works and Member of Parliament for Manchester Northwestern, Mr. Mikael Phillips. Put your hands together for him, please. He's not here as yet? Oh, he's not present. But Minister Vaz will be speaking, I hear, on his behalf.
Yo, yo, yo. Hey, hey. Mic check. Mic check. Mic check. PM, the mic is working. The Honorable Andrew Holness, Prime Minister of Jamaica. My permanent secretary and the entire team, JUTC team, the suppliers of these buses, my beautiful wife, and of course, everybody here gathered today. Let me first of all formally apologize for the opposition spokesperson on transport. I got a message from a mutual friend that he can't even talk about bus, much less to come and see bus. So he is unavailable to come. So I asked the question, is anybody going to represent him? He says there's nobody that's willing to come to see these buses because they know they're going to get bus after bus after bus after bus after bus.